Don't use it.
How do you use it?
Use your fingers like this. Okay, now. Alright, let me push it. Now I get to push it towards you. Okay? Now I get to see. Now you don't block it or anything. Here we go. Oh, I didn't push it hard. Okay, your turn. Push it this way.
Nope.
Almost.
Almost.
Okay, my turn. My turn. Ready? Alright, sit down. No point. No point. Remember, the point is it has to be on just across the edge without falling. Okay? Alright, now let me try. You ready?
Okay.
Gotta move.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm not pushing it good. Okay, here we go. Oh,
Oh, I didn't. It fell right here. So far.
oh, okay. A little too much power on that one. Ready?
Okay.
Here it comes. Alright, your turn. Easy. Oh, okay.
I did that by accident.
Okay. Ready?
Uh-oh.
No point for
No
you.
points for me. Where'd it go?
I know it went. I can only sit.
Okay.
I just go under the table. Let's see.
Okay, good try. Ready?
Wait.
Oh, close.
I caught it.
That was a good catch. That was cheating. That doesn't count because that was cheating.
Let's see what else.
Do you know what that means? No?
It's okay, honey.
Okay. It doesn't count because you went like this. Now I can do
I knew
that.
that was
Guess
gonna-
what?
She gets a point.
So guess what? It doesn't... Oh, now
Oh,
that's a
honey,
point.
you did that.
That's a point.
You did
Good
that.
job.
You
See,
sure
see,
did.
look. And you got it just across there. That was a point. Good job.
Daddy.
All right, my turn. It's 1-0. Nope, not quite. Good.
Almost. Oh.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, your hand blocked it.
My legs.
Okay, here mine comes. Nope.
Wait.
I know, sometimes it doesn't want to go good. Okay, that's it. No, that was it. Okay, here we go. Nope. Nope, not quite. You're still 1-0. Ooh, that one was close. All right, sit
I
back.
think this time I'll get. Oh, silly.
Here we go. Oh, no. All right, there we go. Nope,
You didn't get it close.
not yet. All right, here we go.
Oh,
Nope,
got it.
you did. That was a good catch. All right, here we go.
Got it. Oh my God,
Oh.
got it.
Almost. Good. You ready?
Ready?
I think that was a point for me on that one.
What?
Even if you did catch it, I think it's still a point for me, don't you? So now we're tied.
What side?
We're 1-1.
Oh!
All right, so don't try to catch it because you may end up helping me. Okay. All right, here we go.
Oh.
Oh, almost.
What if it fell?
Yes, I have to reach across and get it. Then it doesn't count.
Cold in here.
What if it, you don't count.
Or is it just me?
It's just you. I'm not cold now, but I've also got a